Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Enable developer options and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads and settings apply quickly. Once done, back up your data because you will revoke some permissions and uninstall updates. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Manage Apps. We're removing ad frameworks and disabling pre-installed ad services right away. Make sure you're signed into your My account for permission prompts. This reduces roadblocks when uninstalling updates or revoking auto-start privileges. You now target the middle of the process. Locate MIUI ad services and system apps that display ads. First, uninstall updates for those packages to avoid protection. Then force stop each, clear cache and clear data. After that, disable or uninstall if the option appears. Once disabled, go to Permissions and revoke Auto Start and background activity so they can't relaunch. Make sure to repeat for browser, security, themes, and system apps that show personalized suggestions. This reduces ad triggers across the UI. Finish by turning off personalized recommendations and ad services from privacy settings. This stops targeted content. Then install an alternative launcher and replace MIUI apps with ad-free versions when available, making sure to restore only essential data from backup. If ads still appear, try a safe mode scan to see which app relaunches them, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset, then selectively restore apps. If issues remain, contact Xiaomi support or visit a service center. Keep log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.